What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and here we are with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. Now, if you're watching the content, you can see that I also have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And I just want to keep these in the video for the intro because I wanted to let you know that I will be running through those too. We are focusing more on Samsung devices. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to unbox the Z Fold6. So here we are with the packaging. It's overall black and we have the Z Fold6 on the front. It's half white, half black. I'm not sure what that means. The rest of the packaging, just overall black with some product information on the rear there. And we don't actually have to use a knife. We've got the little peel tab here. So I'm going to pull up on it and peel. And that's on the bottom as well as the top. And then we could just flip over, and as we can probably predict, it's going to slide off nice and smooth, that lid there. And it looks like we're going to have some items in the lid itself. So if I pull out this insert, and we could set the lid to the side there, I am thinking we're going to have a USB-C cable in here. So we have our SIM ejector tool there. We have our quick start guide, and yes, we have the USB cable. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So this is really exciting. Here we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. And I didn't know it, but when I ordered this, I thought it was like a black colorway, like solid black. But if we take a close look, the back of the device has somewhat of a faux carbon fiber design pattern on it. And I'm going to try to tilt it here and see if we could catch that on camera. But it looks really cool. It is really amazing looking. And this is something I haven't seen on a Z Fold yet. And I feel kind of bad because this is the only situation where I don't want to use a case, because that actually looks really cool to me. But I'm going to be using a case because this is a very expensive device and I don't want to damage it. So anyways, we're going to lift it out here, and it's in there nice and snug. And we're going to flip over, and we're going to have this protective film on the display. And I'm assuming we could just peel that up and out the way. And this looks really good. It looks a lot more refined. It looks more minimal. The sharper edges just look cleaner. Now I do want to turn to the back again just for a moment. I will say that the camera module, it looks a little more bulky. That's the only thing I noticed there. By the way, we do have protective film on the cover display, so we could peel that off. But overall, this looks more refined. And also, this looks a lot more slimmer. It looks a lot more slimmer. I'm not sure how much more slimmer it is, but it's definitely more slim. And it feels really good in the hand. I think this is, like, I didn't think this would be such a huge difference of change. First of all, again, we have the edgier corners, so that changes the whole feel of the device. But it's thinner, and it feels lighter as a result. That is really nice. Obviously, we are going to set this up, turn it on. I'm going to throw a case on it, and I'm going to talk about that case. We've got a really cool case to talk about. So just a brief teaser here. This is the case, and it's going to be by VRS. Now, I did attach this tether here, and by the way, I'm going to link all of this in the storefront. But this case is really cool because it has camera protection, but it has a built-in wallet. And what's cool about the cover for the wallet is that it's spring-loaded, so you get this kind of assisted action when you go to close it. So I'll be equipping the Z Fold6 with this case. Now, there's two cons to this case. First, it doesn't have pen storage, and I'm okay with that because I don't use the pen all that much. And the other thing is it doesn't have a display protector built in, but I've ordered display protectors to add just to protect things. So that's it for today's video. We're going to be diving more into this once I get it protected, once I do a comparison with the Z Fold 4, and then we'll catch you more later. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon check in out.